What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is SM and today we're talking about the most important step before you ever place a trade, building your trading foundation. Too many people jump in with cash and hope, but without education they crash out fast. Think of trading like building a skyscraper. You need blueprints, not just dreams. Before risking $1, invest in knowledge. Books are your shortcut to decades of experience. In this video I'll share the best books to take you from total beginner to confident trader. Grab a pen. This reading list could change your trading journey. Let's start with the perfect book for absolute beginners, A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market by Matthew R. Crater. If terms like ETF or PE ratio confuse you, this book is your translator. Crater keeps it simple, practical, and actionable. No jargon, just clear steps. He covers everything from opening a brokerage account to understanding stocks versus bonds. The book is short, easy to finish, and gives you real momentum. You'll learn basic strategies like looking for companies with a strong competitive advantage. It's the ideal orientation for the stock market, removing intimidation and building your confidence. Start here if you're overwhelmed. It's the launchpad for your trading education. Once you've got the basics, it's time to level up with Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder. Elder's 3 M's, mind, method, and money management, are the pillars of trading success. First, mind trading psychology. Elder, a psychiatrist, shows how emotions like fear and greed sabotage traders, and teaches discipline in thinking and probabilities. Next, Method Elder explains technical indicators, chart patterns, and how to build a trading plan that fits your style. There's no single holy grail. You need a method you can execute consistently. Finally, Money Management Elder stresses risk control, like the 2% rule and proper position sizing. Most beginners ignore this and pay the price. The book's power is in combining these 3 pillars. If you lack any one, you'll fail. Elder transforms you from gambler to strategic operator. It's dense but essential for anyone serious about trading. Master your mind, method, and money, and you'll have a real edge. This book is a must-read for building a professional approach. Don't skip it if you want to last in the markets. Imagine picking the brains of the world's top traders. Market Wizards by Jack Schwager lets you do just that. Schwager interviews legendary traders with wildly different methods, proving there's no single path to success. The real lesson? Mindset and discipline matter more than any one strategy. These traders share stories of big wins, painful losses, and the resilience it takes to bounce back. You'll learn that losing is part of the game, but risk control and learning from mistakes set the pros apart. Market Wizards is less about tactics, more about how to think like a winner. Absorb their principles, cut losses, let winners run, and always have an edge. It's a book you'll revisit for inspiration and insight at every stage of your trading journey. If you're serious about technical analysis, John Murphy's Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets is the definitive guide. This book is an encyclopedia, covering everything from Dow theory to every major chart pattern and technical indicator. Murphy explains not just what patterns look like, but the psychology behind them and how to trade them. You'll learn about moving averages, RSI, MACD, and how to combine indicators for a robust system. Murphy also introduces intermarket analysis, showing how stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies are all connected. This holistic view gives you a real edge in understanding market moves. It's dense and meant to be studied, not just read. Keep it on your desk as a reference. It's a lifetime resource for technical traders. If you want to master charting, this book is non-negotiable. Now let's switch gears to a classic that reads like a novel. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. It's the story of Jesse Livermore, whose trading lessons are as relevant today as ever. The book's wisdom is timeless. Patience, discipline, and respecting the market are key themes. Livermore's biggest wins came from letting profits run, his biggest losses from breaking his own rules. The dangers of ego and following tips are hammered home. This book teaches market psychology through storytelling, making the lessons unforgettable. If you read only one trading book, many pros would pick this one. You might wonder why the new Trading for a Living by Dr. Elder gets its own spot. This updated version brings Elder's classic into the digital age with modern examples and tools. It's more practical with study questions and exercises to help you apply what you learn. Elder emphasizes keeping a trading diary and analyzing your performance to spot weaknesses. The money management section is expanded, offering advanced techniques for different account sizes and risk levels. The new edition is more actionable and accessible for today's traders. If you're choosing between the original and the new, go with this one. It's a modern masterpiece for building a professional trading career. For a data-driven approach to finding growth stocks, check out How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. O'Neill's Can Slim strategy is based on decades of research into the market's biggest winners. Each letter stands for a key trait, like strong earnings growth and market leadership. The book is systematic. You get a clear checklist and real-world examples. O'Neill teaches you not just what to buy, but when to buy and, crucially, when to sell. His strict rules for cutting losses are vital for risk management. This book is perfect for those who want a proven, structured method for finding home-run stocks. It's a blend of fundamentals and technicals that's created countless successful investors. There you have it, a reading list to take you from beginner to pro. Remember, education is the one investment no market crash can erase. Pick a book that fits your journey and start reading this week. Drop your favorite trading book in the comments. I'd love to hear your recommendations. If you found value here, hit like and subscribe for more trading content. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.